World Famous Foods. Today we're going to be doing a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Half the world doesn't know how to do this stuff. We got 2 knives because you don't want to mess up the peanut butter or you don't want to mess up the jelly. So, and some people ask, should we toast the bread or should we just do, so we can just do like this. So, got our peanut butter right here. We're using the crunchy, extra crunchy, crunchy. That's that one. Using some peach jelly. Like this. Oh yes. As a matter of fact, this recipe was inspired by my boy Pito. He claims he can make the best, but of course he can't, you know. World Famous Foods does everything better. Look at that. Folks, put these together. World Famous Foods.